It is difficult to understand the universe if you only study one planet. Do not waste time idling or thinking after you have set your goals. Determine that today you will overcome yourself of the day before, tomorrow you will win over those of lesser skill, and later you will win over those of greater skill. Too much is the same as not enough. Do not let the body be dragged along by mind, nor the mind be dragged along by the body. Step by step walk the 1,000-mile road. In time, all things work to your advantage when you pursue them with an open heart. You must understand that there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. Anger. Control your anger. If you hold anger toward others, they have control over you. Your opponent can dominate and defeat you if you allow him to get you irritated. For men who want to learn my strategy, this is the way. Do not think dishonestly. The way is in training. Become acquainted with every art. Know the ways of all professions. Distinguish between gain and loss in world matters. Perceive those things which cannot be seen. Pay attention even to trifles. Do nothing useless. With your spirit open and unconstricted, look at things from a high point of view. Study strategy over the years and achieve the spirit of the warrior. Today is victory over yourself of yesterday. Tomorrow is your victory over lesser men. Generally speaking, the way of the warrior is resolute acceptance of death. When overwhelmed, take one step at a time. Using the wisdom of strategy, think of the enemy as your own troops. When you think in this way, you can move him at will and be able to chase him around. Practice and understand the realization that by knowing one way, you know 1,000.